for my makeup brush unboxing, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching!